Hi, I'm Dean Johnson, host of Home Time. And if you're one of the millions who never want to clean their gutters again, call today.
I love doing home improvement, but I hate cleaning my gutters. It's messy, time-consuming, and it's a hassle. But clogged gutters cause mold, breed insects, produce flooding, wood rot, and they kill your plants. That's why, for over 25 years, do-it-yourselfers and people who don't enjoy climbing ladders choose Gutter Helmet. There are a lot of things I do myself, but I know when to call an expert. With gutters, that's Gutter Helmet. There's lots of gadgets you can install, companies that hype products, but only Gutter Helmet, engineered and patented, can promise you'll never clean your gutters again. Gutter Helmet installs over new and old gutters. It's designed to handle the worst rain, snow, winds, and it's guaranteed for life.
Never want to clean your gutters again? Call today.